Hello. So today is actually Saturday, August 3rd, 2019. I am having my brunch. So, yes, it always looks like a lot of food, I'm aware, but I haven't eaten yet today. It's 1 o'clock, and I did go to the gym. So I have 3 ounces of sausage on my plate, but I probably ate like half an ounce or an ounce while I was standing there. So anyway, and then I got 2 ounces of ground beef, an egg, cauliflower with some Sir Kensington's avocado oil ranch, I think is what it is, and a quarter of an avocado, and then pickles, and then my water, and some of my blue raspberry Mio drink to have after. So anyway, just a little update. I haven't been very good about my updates, I suppose, but I mean, I've just been progressing. I probably should have stopped to update a little bit more, but I did go to the gym today. I am enjoying my new gym. I am back. So I guess let me remind, I guess I'm 10 weeks recovery. I have 2 more weeks until I go back to the doctor and they hopefully lift all the precautions, which would mean I can bend, go upstairs like a normal person, cross my legs, etc. Already though, yesterday I went up a couple stairs like a normal person. You know, when you're recovering from hip surgery, you have to take them like baby steps. Like you have to go up with your good leg and then follow with your bad. Up with the good, follow with the bad, and do it that way. So yesterday I did a couple steps not like that. So, and it was fine. I do work at a school, so Thursday was my first day back at work. We go back before the kids go back, so actually it was our retreat. And I ended up, I'm on the retreat committee. And so I was in charge of announcing all the new people to our district and doing a little game with them. And so that went really well. And it's funny because I did get a lot of comments on like how energetic I was and how do I get my energy. And I gotta be honest, I really do think, I mean, I'm kind of one of those naturally energetic people anyway, I suppose, but I mean, a lot of it is following a keto lifestyle. I'll be honest, like you just don't, I mean, you don't have those energy dips, you know? And I was just listening to a podcast the other day and they were talking about like, you know, if you feel sleepy in the middle of the day or whatever, drink some water. I've been doing that lately. So if I start to get a little drowsy, we all get that little slump in the afternoon, but I've been drinking more water in the afternoon if I need to. But I do think like eating right and avoiding sugar is the way to go. It keeps my energy up really high. So I just wanted to, there was something else that I had to update that was feeling pretty good, but I can't remember what it was. But anyway, really good job, Erica. So my workout at the gym, which I do really need to film, I might film one of my full body workouts later on here to show what I am capable of now, but my leg workout I'm pretty proud of. Like I said, I'm kind of doing a split now. My plan is to do like legs twice a week, and now actually before I was kind of just doing like all upper body together, but now I'm going to do like biceps, triceps, and shoulders, back, chest, abs one day, and then still go to my bar class. I'm hoping, I find sometimes when you get back to work though, like timing, it's hard to fit that kind of workout in, but I'm going to do it just because I haven't really been able to do like heavy weights in a long time. My weights aren't heavy right now, but I mean, they're pretty good for 10 weeks after surgery. So right now, I actually did 30 minutes of cardio today. So I walked on an incline for 30 minutes. And yeah, that felt pretty good. I'm actually enjoying that. It kind of just like gets me going. I was a little tired this morning. I think just for the first 2 days back at work and kind of like entertaining 100 people for 2 days, for lack of a better term. I mean, I ended up being the MC for this event, kind of. So it was fun though. It was a really good time. So I do my 30 minutes of cardio, or that's what I did today. And then I did the Smith machine squat and deadlift. So the Smith machine squat now I'm doing just about 60 pounds. And then my deadlift, I'm doing the heavy bar and 10, 20, 30 pounds. So, I mean, not a huge amount of weight, but I do that. I do 10 reps of each, and I'm doing 5 sets. So just to kind of get my legs, used to it. And I guess my goal is, when I get stronger and more recovered, is I want to really like get some heavier weight and do lower reps. But I'm doing those two, a superset. I'm doing it 5 times. And then I'm doing, then I went over to, I did a hack squat at the gym today too. I found the hack squat machine. I didn't know. It was like right there, but it looked different than my other gym. So I did the hack squat, 90 pounds. So I did that 3 sets. And then I did the butt blaster, which I used to always see people use that machine. I didn't really ever use it. But I did that with just like 40 pounds, superset with the hamstring curl, 60 pounds. And I did each of those 10 reps and 3 sets of that. And that was my workout. And it took like an hour, but it was a really, really good workout for a Saturday morning. So, yeah, and then tomorrow I'll go to my bar class and then maybe go for a walk, or go to my bar class and then go do some cardio. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to bar tomorrow. I went to bar yesterday and it killed me. Like, it is that workout that you just don't, it's very, I don't know what the word is, like, not unassuming, but you just don't, unexpected. You just don't expect it to be as intense as it is. So yeah, so my new plan is to do, I wrote it down about how I'm going to do it. I think, so Saturday I'm going to do legs. Sunday, see, I'm already changing it though. Sunday on here I've got that I'm going to go bar to bar and then do back and chest. But I might not. I might just do bar and then cardio. Monday I have legs. I'm going to have to rethink that. If I don't do my back and chest tomorrow, I'll have to do it on Monday. Yeah, I'm just doing like an old school split. I haven't done this kind of thing for a while. I've just been kind of doing full body stuff for like a long time now, and just doing it several times a week, or, it's exciting though. It's exciting to maybe try to get stronger now. So Monday, I plan to do my legs. Tuesday, bicep, triceps. Wednesday, I was going to do full body. They have a pump class at my gym. So once I am done with my precautions, I'll be able to do pump. I won't be able to do them until then because you have to like bend over to pick up the weights. And right now, like even when I do my deadlifts, I have to make sure like the bar is not on the ground when I get it. Like I have to find a bar that's already perched up. And then Thursday, I was going to do bar. That was my plan. So I was going to do Saturday, legs, Sunday, back and chest, and bar. I had bar on both those days. Monday, legs, Tuesday, biceps, Wednesday, full body, and Thursday, bar. But already I can see I'm probably going to tweak that. Like I said, today I think Saturdays will just be like legs, like big workout at the gym. And then Sunday I'll do bar and then a walk, or bar and something. And then I think Monday I'm going to do back and chest. Tuesday I'm going to do legs again. And Wednesday I'm going to do bicep, triceps. And then I think I'll leave out the full body for a little bit. And then Thursday do bar. That's my plan. But I'm always pretty flexible with my workouts. Like, I always make sure I do them, but if it doesn't go exactly as according to like a week plan, sometimes I find that hard. It's like you almost need like an 8-day week to make everything work. So I mean, you could just be on an 8-week cycle, right? Or an 8-day cycle. That's okay too, but I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah, like I said, after being back from my trips, I did weigh myself, so I gained 2 pounds while being away, but I really didn't think that was too bad because I've been away for 2 weeks, and, it's going to even out. I did have a goal, and I'm looking at my calendar. That goal is like apparently next week is when I want to make that goal, and probably won't make that goal, but that's okay. I didn't, I'm just